Welcome to Session 6, Midpoint and Segment Reasoning. A midpoint is not a distance. It is a location exactly halfway between two endpoints. We find it by averaging horizontal positions and averaging vertical positions. Today you will apply the midpoint formula, check equal coordinate changes, work with negative values, and reason backward when one endpoint is missing. The midpoint formula is m equals the quantity x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma the quantity y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Add corresponding coordinates, then divide each sum by 2. Averaging works because the midpoint's x position is halfway between the endpoint x values, and its y position is halfway between the endpoint y values. Find the midpoint of 2, 4 and 8, 10. Average the x values. 2 plus 8 is 10. Divided by 2 gives 5. Average the y values. 4 plus 10 is 14. Divided by 2 gives 7. The midpoint is 5, 7. Check the coordinate changes. From the first endpoint to the midpoint is right 3 and up 3. From the midpoint to the second endpoint is also right 3 and up 3. Now use negative coordinates, -3, 5, and 1, -3. The average x value is -3 plus 1 over 2, which equals -1. The average y value is 5 plus -3 over 2, which equals 1. The midpoint is -1, 1. Keep parentheses around negative coordinates so the addition remains visible. For a missing endpoint, double the midpoint and subtract the known endpoint. If midpoint m is 3, 4 and endpoint a is -1, 2, then bx equals 2 times 3 minus -1, or 7. by equals 2 times 4 minus 2, or 6. The missing endpoint is 7, 6. Verify that a to m and m to b have equal coordinate changes. Use this routine. Pair the x values, pair the y values, add, divide both sums by 2, and verify equal changes. Final check. The midpoint of 0, 0 and 6, 8 is 3, 4. Avoid the classic error of stopping at 6, 8 after adding. A midpoint requires averaging. Next, we will use slopes to classify parallel and perpendicular lines. www.bridgetoexam.com